Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A6 and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and open About Phone, and here just scroll down a bit, pick Software Information, and here you will notice Build Number. Just hit it 7 times, and as you can see now, you are a developer. So now you have to go back and just under About Phone tab you will find developer options. Smoothly click on them to activate all the features, and here you can come along with all very useful and advanced options and operations. Just scroll it down, come along with all the possibilities, and then apply whichever you would like to have. So for example, if you would like to flash screen when apps do not operate, just click here and now it's active. Then you can turn it off the same way. You can also disable USB audio routing the same way, simply by tapping, and then to turn it off, unclick it. You can also force GPU rendering. You can, for example, show layout bounds, show surface updates. Also, you can activate RTL layout direction. So if you are left-handed, just click here, and now you will be able to use your phone with your left hand, just like that. I will turn it off, as I do prefer to use the phone with my right hand. And then just come along with all the options, all the features. For example, you can configure your USB connection or OTG connection, personalized night mode, or whatever you want to. Just come along with all those options and then use any of them. And that would be all. Then if you'd like to turn developer options off, just click on this switcher, and now if you go back, they will disappear from your settings list. So if you would like to activate them again, you will have to perform the same trick one more time. So actually this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily enter developer options, how you can unlock them and then turn them off. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.